Got an S&B cold air intake. I left the cover off. It's an open port. Uh, there is a hole here from the original uh, where the air flows, and so technically on this S&B box you can close this if you wanted to, and air would still flow from the original location where the factory airflow would go through. I just wanted to see how it is with it completely open, get more air in there. Installation was fairly easy. A couple of screws, a little YouTube video, and that was pretty much it. The one thing you got to make sure is this tube is totally secure under into the throttle. Otherwise, if it comes loose or this MAF sensor comes loose, the engine won't start. Yep, pretty simple. Let's see what else we got. This is, by the way, I got the Baja lights, Baja design, front runner roof rack with the rails. So, got the Gobi rear ladder, and got the Corsa Catback exhaust. This is the Nightshade Toyota Sequoia Limited, so it comes with all the black trim, 20-inch wheels. So it is going to be getting a lift. I did change out the mounts, put some rough countries so I can, if I need to tow anyone, or I need to be towed out. Still waiting on my suspension lift. It's going to be the Dobinson's IMS 2.5-inch lift. So can't wait to get that. Alright, let's start her up. Let's see here. Let's do the start up from the rear. Not sure if I can get a good sound out of it. What we'll do is we'll just kind of put it down right here. Oh, that ain't gonna work. Let's just try starting it so we can listen to it from here. Okay, here we go. Let's get this started. This is what the Corsa exhaust sounds like. It is a cold start. It's a cold day, so a little foggy, smoky. It's a 2021 model. It's a beast. It's very dirty. I don't need to wash it. There's the intake. This is what it looks like. Sounds great on the road for sure. And that's it.